Jill DeBoer graduated from the School of Public Health in 1990. Currently, she serves in two distinct roles at the University of Minnesota. One as Deputy Director of the Center for Infectious Disease Research and Policy, or CIDRAP, and the other as Director of the Academic Health Center Office of Emergency Response.
I had one class to take in my undergraduate honors degree, and I took Jim Rothenberger's class, which is a historically very impactful class for people in the field of public health, particularly in Minnesota.
Prior to coming to the university, Jill worked for the Minnesota Department of Health for 15 years, where she was Section Chief of the AIDS and STD Prevention Services section. Jill was a pioneer in building a primary prevention program for HIV infection, not just for Minnesota, but also as a model for the entire country, as she led the development and delivery of HIV risk reduction tools and programs, materials that remain in use today.
When I took that first class in public health, there wasn't even a name for AIDS. They were talking about this emerging disease, infectious disease. It had various names at that time.
As Director of the Office of Emergency Response, Jill is responsible for developing and exercising plans and procedures related to health emergencies on campus, preparing AHC personnel and students for serving in public health response roles in the event of a large-scale emergency in the broader community.
On the campus, we have the same level or even higher level of emergency response plans that you would find off campus.
Jill is also the founder of the University of Minnesota's Medical Reserve Corps.
We have one of just a handful of academically based medical reserve corps made up of about 12,000 students, staff, and faculty, and have had opportunities over the last 10 years to respond to things from Katrina in Louisiana to responding to the Iowa floods to provide assistance to displaced and stray animals to vaccinations here on campus. In public health, most of us are not there for the glory. We're there just to get things done. And so that's sort of been the way my career has been so far.